Hi, welcome back to Horilla Technical Series. Today we are going to discuss how to add columns to the Horilla List View. Basically, all the columns in the Horilla List Views are the fields of the models. A model we are given in the Horilla List View. Let me show you. For that, I have created a blank page for the shift request. I am creating the list view for shift request. For that, I have created a blank page extended only just index.html. So for that, I also created a view called a custom shift request list. This is what we are going to work on. So I have extended it from Horilla list view. As you can see, I have extended this from Horilla list view and added this in the uh, urs.py. This is the custom shift view HTML templates that empty template you saw on the web page. Okay, now we have the class here. So for creating a Horilla list view, we need to add the model. So I'm adding the model. My model name is shift request. Because I need to import it from import it. So I'm importing from base store. So now that I have imported the shift request, I can add the columns now. Columns. Columns is basically a list. You want to give the field name as list items as strings. Before that, I'm going to add the strings. Each strings are the fields in this model. So first, I am giving employee ID as the first column. For that, I have given employee ID, and the next column I am going to add as okay shift ID. I will give shift ID itself. Okay, I given shift ID. I need to add it as a string. Okay, now we have added two columns here. Let's look what happens uh, in the page. Okay, so here is the empty page. When I refresh this, you can see there is two fields here. Okay, and you can see a check mark here, which is a bulk select option. If you don't want that, you can just go here and add an attribute called select option and make it a false. This is a boolean field. You can, if you want to disable it, just add false to it. Like that, we can add all the fields in this model, and all of them will be added in the uh, page automatically as columns. So there we have added four columns, and let's check if it is what. Okay, we can see four columns here. The heading of the table by default is the verbose name of the field. So if you want to change that, you can also do it in the column menu. And just go to the code and here you go. Instead of writing as a uh, string, you can do tuples here. So for that, I have given employee ID. This is the field name. The uh, table heading will be added in the first. So I am giving EMP and the field as employee ID. For shift ID, I am giving shift as a name and just remove this. Now let's go to the web page and let's look. So now we have employee and the shift is as here and all others are here. We refresh it. You can see the table head is changed to embed and the shift is changed to shift. Okay, like that we can do that. And for custom columns, we can also create custom columns in this. For then, if you want to style something like that, you can create custom columns and it will be added in the list view. For that, you need to go to the models of the models and you need to create a custom method. Here I am creating a custom method. I have colored it. For the since it's a method, but self is the first parameter, and currently I'm just passing it. So let's just color this preposition, or else you can go to this and we can just color the requested date. Okay, for that you can add the function as needed. So we are currently using tailwind. I'm coloring this uh, tailwind here. Okay, for that I'm adding a function, adding a variable, and doing a f string. I'm just adding the class extended. I'm giving self dot request dates as let's look at request date. Let's do self dot request date here. Okay, now it's go. Okay, and the function name is colorpole, and we need to return the code. Return code. Okay. Now we want to go to the shift request and add that in the net here. I'm giving the header as requested date, and this is the field. Okay, now when we go to the page and the server is running. Okay, now you can see all the links are came in red. Like that, you can also use render templates. Render template to do complex HTMLs like that. Here you can see that comment section is like render template. I can show this also. For that, I have go here and here I do comments. Just have this. And see comment section also come here. Okay, I can zip comment it. So that's all about custom columns. You can see the template only had a button here. So that button is came here. Okay, guys, that's all about how to add columns and custom columns in the Horilla list. I think you got what I mean. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section or you can reach out to us at support and Horilla.